Lowri from the IET and welcome to First LEGO League Junior. We're so excited that you've registered for Boomtown Build, and whatever capacity you feel that you're able to deliver the programme, these videos are just to help you along the way, give you some tips and show you what you should be focusing on in each session. So whether you're running a programme at home or in school, use this as you need to. So pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever helps you. We know that in the current situation, normal rules don't apply. So whether your team is 2 siblings at home or a larger group of children at school, or whether you're running multiple teams, it's all great. And we're just really, really happy that hopefully the children will be learning some new skills and having lots of fun along the way. Session 7 is called Keep Exploring, and as the title suggests, we'll be exploring throughout this session what we've already learned and what we can continue to discover to be able to incorporate those ideas into our final Boomtown design. So there's a really lovely warm-up here that I wanted to pick out. And it's written, ask the children to describe the most beautiful buildings they have ever seen. Have them share their thoughts about how these buildings make them feel, which is, I think, is just a really lovely way of bringing the idea of the personal experiences that the children have had and how different buildings have made them feel happy or excited or nervous, and why those things happened and what about the buildings made them feel that way. And then they can incorporate those ideas into their final design. So we're exploring what we've already learned. So what makes a building accessible? What makes a building environmentally friendly? And what makes a building durable? So get the children to discuss all of those ideas again, all together, and then in our groups, May's group are going to work with the Lego crane or elevator and the We Do. So just to remind you that we do want this Lego crane or elevator to appear in their final Boomtown. So this is really about exploring more about what this model can do. So the children will be asked to use this crane or elevator to solve a challenge. Now that challenge can be something that they identify. So there are some really lovely suggestions of what that challenge could be here. So is it moving crates up? Is it how many crates can you fit on the platform? Is it how efficient is the crane? You know, lots of different ideas, and they've probably got loads of their own ideas about what that challenge could be. So using the We Do, have the children program a way to solve that challenge. Now, the program is detailed here in the engineering notebook about moving the crane or elevator up and down. Now, they have already done that, so it might be that they want to develop on that idea. They've already got loads of ideas on how they can do that. So please do encourage that creativity and encourage them to think outside the box and develop on their own ideas. Marco's group are going to explore the utility aspect of building design. So it's written here for you to share with the children that architects work hard to make sure that the buildings they design are useful. So I think here really important to remember that buildings have lots of different uses. And ask the children again to think about their personal experiences of buildings that they know of and what those buildings are used for. For example, schools are schools throughout the day, and then perhaps at night time they are places that people go to play sport, or that people have nighttime classes, or there's a different type of exercise class happening perhaps. So those are different ways that buildings are used, and it's about the children thinking about their own personal communities and what they can use into their final design for their Boomtown. So at the end of that session, really important, as always, for the children to record their ideas in their engineering notebooks and share their ideas with each other. All throughout the sessions, we're encouraging the communication aspect of First LEGO League and the teamwork. We want them working together, we want them sharing ideas, and we want them to encourage each other. And more important than ever, because it is this session that is then going to lead into the session that they finally use all of their ideas and create their very own Boomtown. So, as always, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, our website, and if you would like to email us, please do contact us on the email address below. Session 7, keep exploring, keep discovering, keep having fun, and we will see you for session 8 and 9 next time. Bye!